Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek and today I'm going to share with you some updates with MobileSentrix that hopefully you had a chance to see, along with a recap of last week's videos and more to come. So let's get started. Now obviously over the past few months we've been really busy moving into the UK and into Europe, and if you missed yesterday's video, here are some clips so that you can get an idea, but I highly recommend watching the whole video.
Hello, my name is Laurens van Rijn, founder of TouchFix and now Executive Vice President of MobileSentrix Europe. From now on, this webshop will become part of MobileSentrix, and it is the knowledge and experience behind it that will drive their expansion into Europe. It's exciting to see TouchFix.shop now becoming part of something bigger with MobileSentrix. Until now, European repair shops worked with local suppliers or imports from the United States and China, but no one had the skill that MobileSentrix does. Our mission is to have native sales reps for nearly every European market, the first global distributor to offer both genuine Apple parts and compatible parts in one place, a real game changer for Europe. With a dedicated European team ready to support you in your market, in your language. So repair shops finally get the partner they've always needed. To sum it up, TouchFix.shop becoming part of MobileSentrix Europe is not just an acquisition. Better service and more opportunities for repair shops all across Europe. Thank you for your trust, and I look forward to building the future of this industry together with you.
This is obviously something we're really excited about, so if you are located in Europe, we look forward to supplying you with good quality parts so that you too can receive the same type of quality and support that we have been giving to our clients in North America. If you missed any of last week's videos, here's what they were. I went over how to replace the HDMI port on a PlayStation 5 Slim Disc Edition, giving tips and tricks on how to replace the HDMI in an extremely efficient manner. I covered the DT-24R automatic range rotary multimeter by Sunshine. I did an unboxing and general explanation of how it works, as these types of tools are definitely necessary nowadays. I also covered an iPhone 13 Pro that was boot looping. We dove in to find out why it was boot looping, and I showed one method to how to fix it. And last but not least, I showed the best technique in my opinion of how to open an Apple Watch Ultra. In this case, it was an Apple Watch Ultra 2. They're extremely difficult to open, and I show some tips and tricks on how to do that successfully. Back in stock, we have our Google Pixel 8 Pros. These are pre-owned, tested, and ready to ship. Both the grade A, grade B, and grade C are available. They're GSM unlocked at 128 gigabytes. So definitely take advantage of those while they last. I've got some fun upcoming videos this week. If there's something in particular that you'd like to see me make a video on, comment it down below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.